Hey guys, Skull here, and today we are back playing some, well, not really playing anything, we're doing a Rust tutorial. So this is going to be a two-part tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to join a Rust dev server and how to install your own dev server. Next, part 2 would be how to update your dev server. So to join, you're going to need to go on Rust in Steam, right-click Properties, head over to Betas, and by default it will be None. But I choose development, and then you'll launch Rust and it'll start downloading, and as you guys can see, it is downloading the latest development build. So yeah, also I can go ahead and just play it and go any dev server, but there's no development update out right now. So yeah, like Rustified server should be on like the latest regular build. Anyway, so next up you will need Steam command, and I will add this in my description. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my hard drive because I have two drives, and this is actually really important. So in order to install Rust, you're going to need to log in to anonymously. So I was going to go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, and then now you're going to type force_install. This is for the server, by the way. Underscore dir, and then the directory. So it's going to be drive letter. So if you only have one drive, chances are it will be C. But I have two. This is my hard drive. This is my SSD. So I want to run this thing on my hard drive. So I'm going to type E, and then I'm going to type colon backslash. And for those who don't know, on my keyboard, it is actually right there above the enter key. And then I'm just going to type Rust server. So it's going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to do app_update 258550, then do beta development, and then type validate. And it's going to go ahead and do that real quick. So this could be really slow depending on your internet connection, or it could be really fast. So I'll be right back when this gets done installing. Okay, so a minute or two later, this guy is complete, so I'm going to close out of this, and now go back to where you installed it. Now I installed it on the first thing on my hard drive, which is right here, Rust server. So remember, I put E, then I put colon, and then I told it to create a folder and put it right here. So now we have to start our server. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to create a batch file. So just go right click, hit new, and go to text document, and then type, well, it doesn't matter what you name it, just know it's server start. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to open this up. Now, Rustified, which is a guide, it has the batch script that you need, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I'll leave a link to this down below. So that's the name of the server. We're just going to call this tutorial server. And then next up, we're going to want to add Flare, which is right here. I'm going to copy that, and then we're going to paste this in as well. And now this will be where your installed directory is. So like I said, that's on my hard drive, so that drive layer will be E. So, and then next is beta, not experimental, development, there we go. And then next up, we're going to want to check the rest of this. I'm not going to go over how to port forward, by the way, because it's different per router, so I'm not going to bother that. And the rest of it really doesn't matter to me because I'll be the only one connecting to this server. So we're going to go ahead and close out of this. Actually, no. I meant to save as. We're going to go to File, Save As, and I'm just going to name it serverstart.bat. And let's go ahead there and make that an all file. And then there we go. So now what should happen is I click on serverstart.bat, and then here you go. As you guys can see, the server is starting up. So it is the correct update, 169 items, 117 blueprints, right, as of this update. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the server start up. I'm going to hop in Rust, and I will show you guys how to connect. Okay, so here we are in Rust. If you guys want to join servers, just join it like you would any other server. There you see Rustify.com dev branch, so I could join that one right now. But I want to join my own. So you're going to hit F1 and type client.connect localhost, and then you're going to type colon 28015, which is the port number. Now, if you're trying to get your buddies to connect to your server, you have to port forward port 28015. And then you have to give them your public IP address, which you can find out by going on Google and typing in "what's my IP." Now, like I said, I'm not going to do a tutorial on how to port forward because it's different for every router. And if you do it incorrectly, you can mess up your router, and then you have to reset it. And you'll have to change all your settings back, like your name, your password, your type of security, all of that. And it's just really annoying to do. And I don't want to do that on camera, so yeah. So, yeah, here is the actual server. Right here, it's taking a little bit to load because I'm recording, and Rust just always naturally taking forever to load. So, yeah, this is the actual server. If you guys enjoyed the video, you know what, no, hold on, let me prove it first. Here we go, here we are. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit like. If you guys like to see more Rust, please be sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys for part 2 on how to update this server when there's a new dev build.